Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a rocket nightlight using a plastic bottle and fairy light strips. If you have bought my DIY kit, you will find all the pieces already pre-cut, but if you want to do one by yourself, this is what you will need. A thin plastic bottle, 2 color foam sheets or construction paper, tracing paper, pencil, a Sharpie, compass, cutter or scissors, permanent markers, glue and glue gun optional, colored pencils, markers or crayons, fairy light strips. Let's start! Take tracing paper and cut a rectangle that covers the entire surface of the bottle. On the lower longer side, trace a line and then draw the shapes of some flames. Take the foam sheet or construction paper and cut out the same rectangle that you cut from the tracing paper. You can use the bottle cup to trace some portholes. Cut them out with scissors or a cutter. Place the rectangle with the holes on top of the one on the tracing paper and make sure that the flames that you draw are visible. Then trace the outlines of the circles that you cut. These will be the porthole of the rocket, and you can draw what you like to see inside your rocket. For example, you can draw an astronaut or some floating objects. I colored what I draw with markers, but you can use whatever you prefer, pencils, crayons, paint, but make sure to trace the outlines with the black marker so the drawing will appear more defined and nicer. Color the flames with yellow, orange, and red, and use the black to fill in the gaps between the flames. Spread the glue on the entire surface of the bottle and stick your drawing around it. Now it's time to stick the shell of the rocket. Make sure that you don't cover the flames and that the astronaut and the objects are visible from the portholes. Remember to pay attention not to spread glue over your drawing. You can temporarily use tape to keep it in place while the glue is drying. Now it's time to put the fairy LED light strip inside your bottle. In this part of the video, I show you how to draw the surface of a cone. That will be the tip of the rocket. Don't worry, if you have my DIY kit, you will find this piece already done. of the side of the cone. We will need it for the construction. Cut the cone out of the paper and draw the outline on the foam sheet and cut it out. Now put some glue on the wing of this new cone and stick the other side on it. If you have hot glue, this process will be easier, but you can also use regular glue and use some tape to keep it in place. Glue the switch of the LED lights where the two parts of the shell meets. Then glue also the tip of the rocket. Draw the rocket stabilizer on the foam sheet. Cut it out and do the same for 4 times. Then glue them on the 4 cardinal sides of the shell. At this point, you can draw some details on your rocket. Have fun with it. And here you go, your Rocket Nightlight. It's done and you can play with it or keep it near your bed to take off through a universe of fantastic dreams.
Remember to like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching!